30 years now. Work editors, designers, also authors of textbooks that are being used in Estonian schools. And Avita Publishers, which this house belongs to, is one of the biggest publishers in Estonian textbook market, if not the biggest in some areas of the class levels, and very well known in Estonian schools and used very actively by Estonian teachers. But what we are going to show you today is not so much about textbooks and workbooks, it's more about digitization of education, digitization of textbooks. And our company or our product that is called Opiq has been grown out of